Hi everyone, Shamila here. The Cricut Maker 3 has arrived and I'm about to open it. I have unsealed the main box already and I'm quite excited to see what's inside. So here it says Cricut Maker 3 in English, cuts 300 plus materials, works with 12 or more tools, up to 2 times faster, cuts up to 3.6 meters without a mat using smart materials. So that is the Cricut vinyls they're talking about, and it has an adaptive tool system. Now the 3.6 meter long is really great for people who want to do large format signage, so that's really cool. Right, let's see if we can get it up. I'm gonna do this and pull, and it's not a light machine, guys. It's a fairly heavy machine, and let me turn so I can see what I'm doing here. Do I have the scissors? Cool scissor, Cricut scissor, really sharp. I think the color is different this time. Right, what's in the box? Let's see what's inside it. So we have all the information. If you need help, you can contact Cricut. We've got a little information booklet, your manual. So it's got all the different languages. So English is on page 3. What else is in here? Your safety instructions. That's the warranty. And then there's some smart vinyl. The smart vinyl, use this during setup to make a sticker. Okay, the difference between this vinyl and the normal Cricut vinyl, I can feel, is that it has quite a better, sturdier base to work on. So that's probably replacing our mats. Now I don't have any other smart vinyl, so hopefully. Ooh, it is silver. Right, what else is in here? What is the smart paper sticker cardstock? Okay, so you get some samples. And then you get the machine. And we've got your power cables. Your adapter for the computer, and that's your USB cord. Okay, now this one has a British plug, so let me see. Oh, here's the South African one. Dummy. Okay, let's move the box. Now I've got 2 boxes lying on the floor. And like the previous one, this one is all beautifully wrapped. It's like a shrink wrapped for us to open. It feels so nice to tear off this plastic. Ouch. Told you the scissor was sharp. Silver and gray, looks very sleek. Thank you, Isa. Oh my gosh. So I am going going to just plug in the normal cord because we're in South Africa, we need that. And then this will go into the machine. Now the setup process is very easy on the Cricut machine. So there, the one goes in there. And the USB cable goes next to it. And that just goes into your computer. And it's quite a nice long cable. That goes in there. That goes into your computer. And then this goes into the power. This is the old Cricut power supply. That's the new one, so they are significantly different. So you'll definitely know which one goes with which. And that's cool. So I'm going to just plug this in, and then we will be back to try and do our first cut. Okay, so I've got the power in and I have plugged it in. Let's see. Ta-da! This one feels a bit slower than the previous one. There's a little foam in here that you need to remove. Your blade, your standard blade, comes already set up. Let's just see. It's all tight in there. That's the blade there. Okay, let's put it on. Right, what do we do next? There's a change here, there's a pause button, and then it's got a play button. The other one has like the Cricut logo there, so I'm guessing that's play, and this is load. So let's see. New product setup. It's not giving me a new machine. Smart cutting machine. Ah, there we go. Cricut Maker 3. That's done. Because I know from the past. Already done that. Already done that. We've already done that. Continue. And update. Okay, so it's updating. I'm not sure how long this will take. So, oh, that light has changed color to show that it's updating. It seems to be going fairly fast. I do think that probably is dependent on your internet connection. So yours might go a little bit slower than that. And this light is still red here to show that it's still updating on the machine, the on off button. I should have timed it because great, that was like less than 2 minutes, I'm sure. I should have timed it. That's silly. Okay, register the machine. So we will just register the machine. Next, let's make a sticker. So the last time I did the flower, and it looks like the same design that comes up. So let's do the crown this time. Prepare for a cut. Blade has been confirmed, and in prepare, insert smart file. So use the smart file. So no mat, inserting vinyl. and it says press the go button on the machine. And like I said before, the Cricut Maker has got the Cricut sign here. The Maker 3 has got a play sign or a start sign. Let's go. Oh my gosh, this thing is fast. That's a lot faster than the other one. So the machine is automatically set up to cut this piece of vinyl first. When you are cutting other projects at a later stage, you need to choose your product, like whether you're cutting cardstock or vinyl, but this is the first cut that has automatically been set up to do. Wow. I'm gonna put this on my mug. And now the computer is telling you to unload because the cut is complete, and the unload button will be flashing on your machine. So unload, and we shall see how it's cut. I'm gonna trim off that piece with my scissors. Where did I put it? So that we don't waste vinyl. Because I'm stingy like that. And let's see if this is cut through. Now when your eyes get to my stage, you can't see properly even with specs, goodness me. And I'm sure Wisal's nose is working for me now because she wants to do it. Because this is Wisal's favorite job, to weed. She's my weeder. Perfect cut, guys. Perfect cut. And now start designing. I need to see what must come off here.
There's
Lots that must come off. I see one. It had to now be black, but it leaves it on a white base, so I can. This tool is awesome for weeding, eh? And then of course you need, what's that transfer stuff, Wisal?
transfer tape.
Transfer tape to move this from your base onto your project. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it on yet. There's lots of hacks on YouTube where you can create your little vinyl deposit thingy for your weeding. Some people use an old, what's that called now? A wet wipe holder. Or you can use a Pringle tin and put a top on it so that I'm literally looking through the bottom of my specs. Because I think if we put the light on here, it's going to affect the camera. So let's just try and do it without the light. Is this also something that must come out? Oh my gosh. I've got lines stuck on everywhere on my hands now. We need to figure out a weeding tool for us. What do they call it? A weeding deposit station. Two here. And over there, and there. One. Oh, it really cuts a nice detailed cut there. And two. And I shall find something to put this on, and then we will come back to you.